What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's lesson I'll be showing you how to draw the Mandalorian. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page. We're going to draw the inside edge of the visor. So starting on the left, we're going to draw a curve coming down the middle and then bend that back up towards the right, making sure that they go up towards the same height. Let's flatten off the ends with a short line coming down the side. Now from here, we're going to bend this down and then in, leaving a gap in the center. From the inside, let's angle this down and then in towards the bottom of the helmet. And we'll just flatten this off. Now from here, we're going to go out to the side and draw two straight lines coming down the side of the head. So from this point, we're going to step over, draw a straight line coming down. Now I want to make sure that this line stops higher than that bottom center line. Just line up on the right and do the same thing, coming down. Now from the end on the left, we're going to bend this down and then in towards the bottom corner of the visor. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to draw a large curve like a half circle for the top of the head, going up and then in. Let's round this out, go across, and then bend that down towards the right. Let's add a thick trim around the visor. On the left side of the head, we're going to step up. Just going to follow that same curve, going across and then up. Now on the left side, we want to bend this in and curve that all the way down towards the bottom. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's go back to the left side, draw a straight angled line. We're going to add a bevel inside the helmet. And then from here, bend this in and then down. From these 2 points, we're just going to angle this down and then out towards the bottom corner of the helmet. Now along the side of the head, we're going to add a curve. We're going to go out and then back in. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker. We're going to fill the inside of the visor. Now we're going to add that trim coming down the center of the head. Starting over on the left side, let's draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Go over towards the right, draw another straight line. And then add that thin trim in the center. So from the side, step in, draw another line, leaving a gap across the bottom. Connect the bottom with a curve, going down and then up. Now with the helmet complete, let's move down and draw the scarf around the neck. We're going to start on the left side, bend this down and in. We're going to create a fold, leave a gap in the center, come in from the right. Now let's go back to left. Stepping over, curve this around, across the middle, go up, and then tuck that in on the right. Now underneath, we're going to draw the body. Curve this out and then down towards the hip on the left and right side. Connect the hips with a curve, coming down and up across the belt. Now we're going to step up and draw another curve across the top of the belt. Let's leave a gap in the center. We're going to draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Now over on the left side, we're going to add two more lines coming down. Let's add that bandolier crossing the body, starting from the top left side of the belt, then this out and up underneath. Step in, curve this up and then out. Now I'm going to add some bullets across the bandolier with lines coming down from top to bottom. From the side of the body, step in, draw a straight line coming down in behind that bandolier. Now we're going to move to the center, just underneath the buckle. Let's add a curve, going across the middle, leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. And then we want to round out the bottom of the feet, starting with the left side, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's curve the top of the foot, starting on the left, bend this up, and bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Now I'm going to add a thick sole across the bottom. So you want to take this curve, step up, and then trace that across. I'm going to go back up to the hip. We're going to curve the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add an armor plate across the hip, underneath the belt, bend this down and then out. From the top of the foot, let's step up, let's add a curve to the edge of the boot. And I'm going to add some armor across the legs. Starting from the outside, step in, angle this up on either side. Let's round at the top, just pulling this in, and then angle this back down in behind the edge of the boot. Okay, now let's go back up to the side of the body and draw on the arms. From the top of the body on the left, we're going to step down, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then we'll bend this up and then in towards the wrist. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. So we'll start from the bottom of the thumb, bend this down and then up, step down, then the second finger, and then the third finger, go all the way around, go up and then in underneath. Now I want to separate the top of each finger with a curve, and we'll pull that in towards the thumb. Now from the top of the thumb, let's draw the edge of the glove, bend this up and then out. Let's move up, draw another curve, and then we'll add the shoulder pads. Underneath, bend this down and then out towards the side. Now I want to layer the cape in behind the body, but we're going to sweep this over towards the right. So let's start underneath that index finger, bend this down and out. Go over toward the center finger on the right side, bend this down and then out. Now in behind the legs, we're going to add a wave. Coming down, and then go out towards a point. Now we're going to layer that weapon in behind the back. So let's start from the top of the arm, bend this up and out, and curl that up towards the top. Round at the end. Now we're going to come down and then bend that out. Let's round up this end. And we're going to bend this in and then back down in behind the arm. Let's follow this angled line down towards the left side of the body. Go out and down towards the point. Bend this back up in behind. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center. Draw 2 angled lines coming down and out towards the end. Flatten that off. Now along the top, angle this up and then pull that back in. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Mandalorian. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you'd like your artwork to be featured in an upcoming artist spotlight, come join our sketch club or the cartooning club on School. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.